We're gonna be doing a little trolling. Target spotted.
Wait for it, SpongeBob, wait for it.
Now!
Hell yeah! We did it, boys and girls. Know my one weakness.
Around the outside, round the outside, round the outside.
We've got a bogey.
Eminem, please don't sue me. Back to waiting. Someone's here!
Around the outside,
Oh,
round the
man.
outside, round the outside.
We've got a bogey.
You don't see me. You don't see me. Come on!
Aw, dang it.
Wait for it.
Now!
What? Come on, Gary needs a new pair of shoes.
Round the outside, round the outside, round the outside.
We've got a
Come
bogey.
on, just take a gamble already. I'm gonna trick them into thinking they'll hit off me. Troll failed.
You never see it coming.
Oh yeah! We did it again!
Around the outside, round the outside.
Ha ha ha! Here we go again. Hey, it's a penguin. Hi, Mr. Penguin.
What's up? Like my boombox?
Yes, Mr. Penguin, it's very nice.
No need to ask
Let's be
why.
friends.
Just open your
Okay.
mouth and close
I love this
your
penguin.
eyes.
I'm gonna help you troll.
Okay, then. Guys, we need to stop climate change so we can save this penguin. Someone's here!
We'll use the power of friendship.
It's raining tacos from
Mr.
the
Penguin, we did
sky.
it! Oh no, Mr. Penguin's leaving.
Goodbye.
Everyone put W Mr. Penguin in the comments. No! Mr. Penguin! We gather here today to commemorate a good friend. Mr. Penguin, may he rest in peace. We've got to troll more people. It's what he would have wanted. A feisty one, eh?
The outside, round the outside, round the outside.
We've got a bogey.
You can trust me, bro.
Thought I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Haha, got them. Why they all going?
Around the outside.
A new challenger approaches.
Come on, man! That's too easy!
I'm surprised at the amount of people not going around. Another troller friend. I think he might be... I knew it. No one could replace Mr. Penguin. Oh, wait, they're facing the opposite way. Let's see. Come here, little bacon.
You never see it coming. You see
The record shows I took the blows and did it my
Hey, thanks for watching to the end of my first long form. It probably means you liked it. So why not subscribe? You'll see more like this. Go check out some rants on my TikTok. It's Muahahahaha. Peace out.